Hello everyone, I am Barkha from insurtech and Webner. Today in this video, I am going to give you a tour of our API website developer.winsurtech.com. This website lets you subscribe to APIs related to AL3 parser, AL3 creation, claim files parsing. I will explain to you how you can use this site to register, login, check plans, pricing, subscribe, top up the plans, check your API usage, edit your profile and more. So let's get started. To get started, you need to go to developer.winsurtech.com. You will see there are 4 APIs. The first API is AL3 Parser Real-Time API. With the help of this API, you can convert AL3 files into JSON and CSV formats in real time. This API makes it very easy to extract different type of policy transaction data and direct bill commission data from the AL3 files. This drop down here shows all the endpoints available within this API. For each endpoint, you will see its description and parameters to be passed while calling the endpoint. If you change the option in this drop down, the selected endpoint detail is displayed. So we have the detailed documentation available on the site for each API and its endpoint. Similarly, we have AL3 ParserCallback API. AL3 ParserCallback API is not a real-time API. It converts the AL3 file in the background and posts the response back to the callback URL provided by you, hosted on your system. This API can handle large AL3 files as well like initial loads. Similarly, we have an AL3 Creator API that creates new AL3 files. AL3 Creator converts CSV to AL3 files, and the good thing is that the same CSV format that our AL3 parser creates, you just change the values and feed that CSV into AL3 Creator, and it will convert it into AL3 file. So it's pretty simple to use. Another API we have is claims, messages and eDocs. Claims, messages and eDocs API make it possible to extract data from claim downloads in JSON format and also to extract images and documents embedded inside the claims files. Let's click on API docs. This page has detailed documentation of each API and its endpoints. Your programmers can read it and easily integrate our API with your system. Let's click on the videos link. You will find several help videos here related to WinsurTech APIs. We continue to add more helpful videos here to make it simple to work with our APIs. Let's go back and click on the next menu, which is pricing. You will see the subscription plans. You need to pay one-time setup fee before subscribing to any API. After you pay the one-time setup, you can subscribe to monthly, half-yearly and annual plans. With the biannual and annual subscription plans, you can save up to 15% of your money as compared to monthly subscription plans. You can also write to us at contact@winsurtech.com for a custom plan. Next we have is top-up plan option. You can use top-up plans for different APIs to add more quota to an existing active subscription if you consume all of your plan quota. The subscription expiry date remains the same after top-up. Here also we have multiple options for each API based on your needs. And next we have a subscription option. You can see your subscribed APIs here. When you click on a subscribed API, you can download the Postman collection for this API and import into the Postman application. You can check the plan name, auto renew option, allowed limit, used limit, remaining quota, date of subscription, expiration date. And at the bottom you can see there is a way to reset user secret which is needed for calling the API endpoints. The next option we have is the billing menu link. You can check the billing amounts paid by you. You can also download the payment receipt. The following menu link is to contact us. you can complete this little form and send it to us. In the following step, you can check your email, change your profile, and view the status of any previously submitted request by selecting the previous request option. So this was an overview of developer.winsurtech.com. I hope this video was helpful for you. I will be back soon with another video. For any assistance regarding AL3, Accord Forms, acordxml, or any PNC insurance project, write to us at contact@winsurtech.com.